We've all had that heart-stopping moment. The phone slips from your hand, that sickening crack as it hits the pavement, and the screen goes black. For most things, it's an inconvenience. But if you have Bitcoin, a special kind of panic sets in. Did you just lose everything? People think losing a phone means losing their Bitcoin, and sometimes it does, but not because the coins were ever in the phone. This brings us to the most important concept in self-custody, the seed phrase. Simply put, it's a list of 12 to 24 recovery words that can recreate your entire wallet if your device is ever lost, stolen, or destroyed. Here's the core truth you need to grasp. Your Bitcoin lives on the blockchain, not in your wallet. Your wallet just holds the keys that give you access. Your seed phrase is the master backup that rebuilds those keys. Think of it like a master key mold. You can pour metal into that mold and create a perfect set of keys, again and again. It's not just one key, it's the factory that makes all your keys. This is different from a single private key, which just controls one address. The seed phrase recreates the whole wallet. And why words? Because under the hood, it's all complex math. But words, apple, river, mountain, are for humans. We can write them down carefully without making a mistake. Most wallets use a shared dictionary, a standard often called BIP39, so the same phrase can work across different apps. So how does recovery work? You get a new device, download a compatible wallet, and enter those exact words in the exact same order. Add in any extra settings, and you recreate the exact same wallet. But there's a trap here, the optional passphrase. Some wallets let you add an extra word, like a 25th word for more security. It's powerful, but it's unforgiving. If you add a passphrase and then forget it, your seed phrase alone will restore an empty wallet. The funds tied to that forgotten passphrase are gone. Let's clear up some myths. A seed phrase is not a login. It is a full wallet backup. Customer support cannot help you recover it. No one can.
And taking a photo of it is a terrible idea. Photos sync to the cloud. They get copied, they spread. Treat it like the master key to a vault, because that is exactly what it is. If anyone gets your seed phrase, they can recreate your wallet on their own device and drain your funds. No permission needed. Bitcoin doesn't know who you are. It only knows one thing. Can you produce a valid signature from the right key? It's a system of rules, not rulers. So how do you store it safely? Offline. And offline means offline. Not in your photo gallery, not in your notes app, not saved in an email draft. The best options are simple, written down on paper and locked away, or better yet, stamped into metal to survive fire and water. The danger with digital storage is the copy problem. One screenshot can become 6 copies without you even realizing it through cloud sync and auto uploads. Here's a pro move. Test your recovery. Create a new wallet, write down the phrase, and then immediately try to restore it on a spare device. Send a tiny, meaningless amount, say $10, and see if you can access it. Practice your process before you trust it with serious money. Most crypto losses aren't sophisticated hacks. They're simple mistakes. Typing the seed phrase into a fake website, sharing it with someone pretending to be support, or saving it as a screenshot. If you even suspect your phrase has been exposed, don't hesitate. Create a brand new wallet with a new seed phrase. Move your funds immediately and treat the old phrase as compromised forever. Don't debate it, rotate it. So let's end with a simple, calm checklist. This is what being careful really means. 1. Write your phrase down offline. 2. Keep it completely private. 3. Consider metal for long-term fire and water resistance. 4. Know for certain if you used a passphrase. And 5. Do a test restore. Your future self will thank you. A seed phrase is the recovery blueprint for your wallet. Keep it private, keep it offline, and you've nailed one of the most important parts of securing your financial future.